It's a beautiful day in Jamaica and I am here in the sunshine city of Portmore for sure. And for today's restaurant up, we're heading to First Bite in Portmore. It's at Sunshine's Plaza in Portmore. Don't mix up the plaza like I did, guys. I actually never planned to go to this restaurant up. I'm actually in Portmore on business, but she gets hungry, so let's feed her. Okay, all right. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Vanessa Williams Morgan and this is the Morgan's Legacy. So today we are in Portmore and we are heading to First Bite for a delectable treat. Let's go. So this is my very first time at First Bite.
Welcome to First Bite.
Thank you.
Enjoy your First Bite.
All right, so this is my menu.
Yeah.
Okay, I can sit anywhere. Awesome, thank you.
What's your name, darling? The first one spoke to me that I hear the voice here already.
You serious?
What's your name?
But sound like I could have on TV, don't it?
No, you have a YouTube.
Yes, I have a YouTube
And
channel.
the person with the song they sing and they go away.
Yes.
I tell you, man.
Oh, you serious? Oh my God! Thank you, thank you. I.
Good morning. Welcome to First Bite. Are you dining? We're having a little challenge now. The card machine is working because the internet connection is slow. Okay.
Everything looks nice. What would you recommend?
Oh. What do I recommend? The French toast.
Yeah, I do. You like the French toast?
That's still a lot. I haven't eaten it before, but I'm coming in what still. Everything on the menu is still.
But people love the French toast. Okay, where do I find that? Let me see the price for the French toast. And add a rum cream.
Yeah.
The rum cream to the French toast. Oh my God. I don't know. So like, that's so nice, but can I order for rum cream? Oh God. Alright, so I'm gonna try the French toast, but let me see with what else. So you basically just do this breakfast things, right?
Yeah, and these are lunch option.
Okay.
No. I think this the Bossman Bagel Burger that is very good as well. It's at the back.
Oh, I thought I saw that online, you know. So it's like jerk, sausage patty served on everything, bagel. I feel like I would have that.
Okay.
Let me have the Bossman Bagel Burger. Yeah, we're not going to change it. We're going to need a Bossman Bagel Burger. Right? And let me have to drink. I want something in a pretty nice fancy glass. What do I get?
And the mimosa
it been open?
3 years now.
3 years, so I never see this. I'm come a movie rider, so.
That's why lots of person come in here by the movie board.
Yeah.
When they come in there, it's a nice surprise. And also,
I really like it. I like the just on the wall.
Oh.
Yeah, love that. What is your name, by the way?
my name is Althea.
Althea. So, Morgan's clan, this is Miss Althea. She's gonna be with us today.
You don't have any dietary restrictions?
I don't eat nuts or shrimp. Yes, I realize. Okay, let me show you guys the menu. And this is the spring roll. Oh, is it a can saltfish one? Guys, this is the ackee and saltfish spring roll. I'm not telling a lie. This is Evan wrapped in a very flaky case, okay? I love ackee and saltfish, but this is like the best spring roll I've ever had. One more dip. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. And the sauce is, it's like a tangy, sweet, and it complements the ackee, which is a little bit, it has the scotch bonnet pepper. So all that flavor is just in your mouth. Oh my god. I wish you can hear the crunch. I actually wish you could hear the crunch. It's so crunchy. The butterness of the ackee, the crunchiness of the breading, the right amount of pepper, and the magic sauce. Again. Oh. Oh god. Best appetizer ever. Oh my god. Thank you. water. Good. I can't eat it, it's too pretty. It is too pretty. Cheers. Just one thing to say. Yum. I'm not gonna lie. The salad almost filled my belly. But the Lord will make a way and I will make space. Pray for me, all. Pray for me. This should definitely name the Boss Woman burger. Belly full, we can't stop eating. It's massive, huh? There's bacon, jerk, sausage, 2 layers of cheese, bacon, egg, and then there's a sauce. I don't know what type of sauce it is, but everything is well cooked, well seasoned. Did I say it's a jerk sausage? It's a jerk sausage. So you know that flavor that you get from the jerk, right? And then the crispiness from the bacon, the fluffy egg, and then it's wrapped in this sauce. It's wrapped in this wonderful sauce, and then you have the blueberry bagel. Oh my god, can't take it. Can't take it, me a bag. People, I don't know how I'm gonna drive go back home. Oh my god, I like to take me to live far. My belly full, okay? Alright, so let's break it down. You know the categories, you know what we're looking for, and let's do that right now. Okay, so as for location, it is easily found. As I said, it's Sunshine Plaza or Sunrise Plaza. Rise or shine? A Sunshine Plaza in Portmore. It's right where the new I don't think you call it new anymore, where the movie theater is in Portmore. If you have ever been to a movie in Portmore, then you know exactly where I'm talking about. I think it's Palace Amusement. I'm not sure if it's Palace or Carib, but one of the only movie theater in Portmore, that's where it is. So it's centrally located, it's not hard to find, and Portmore is basically a city, right? Them want to be a Paris so bad, but yeah, Portmore is basically a city, as it is informally called the Portmore city. Yeah, it's easily found, as I said before, and as it relates to the taste, people, I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. I am so sad that I actually came here by myself. I am so sorry that I made this like a Vanessa date, right? Mr. I never bring somebody with me because I'm telling you, it was really nice. I mean, what? And they only serve breakfast things, okay? It's only breakfast things. Wraps, salads, pancake, waffles, the works. Only breakfast stuff. I love that for you. So if you're there in the middle of the day, I feel like you don't eat something breakfasty, right here, so first bite. And the truth is, I fell in love with my very first bite. That Aki spring roll. May I talk about it on my motor run water. The Aki spring roll there, boss. The Bossman burger, top shelf. Love it. I just love how Jamaicans are diving into our traditional food, things that we're known for, and making it into something new. I love that for us, because the spring roll, spring roll are the China them thing, right? And we incorporate it because Jamaica is out of many, we are one, right? So we incorporate it with our national dish, the Aki spring roll. Love it. And for the burger now, it was jerk sausage burger. So it was a jerk sausage, and then they make it into a patty. I love that. What else? The patty had in egg, it had in the sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce. I feel like I eat the guy that do the song about. Yeah, the sauce, oh my god. May I tell you, people, if you have never been to First Bite, don't miss this opportunity to head over there and just go on. Just go and get your first bite of heaven. Okay, for the price, it was not bad. I actually got appetizer, I'm a burger, I'm a mimosa, and I got 2 appetizers because I wanted to take one back for my son. So I told Raje, the Aki boss, him love Aki just as much as I do, and I got one for him, and we get water and all of that, and it was $3,500. So thumbs up to First Bite. I'm gonna tag them on Instagram. I'm gonna tag their Instagram page down below so that you can check out their page on Instagram and you can see what else they have to offer. And if you end up that you watch this video and you visit First Bite and you love, wait, hold on, me not say customer service yet. Customer service. Not because the girl did recognize me and she watched the channel. Shout out to you, ma'am. Not because the lady recognized me from the channel, why I'm gonna say this, but their customer service was up. Cause even before she recognized me, because she only recognized me by my voice, she never did see me and say, "Oh, are you?" They were like, "Hi, good morning, welcome to First Bite." And you know me, love a perky person. I love that, and you know, I love the enthusiasm. Like, yeah, me glad you come spend your money. I love that for us, for First Bite. Yeah, I love that for me too, cause I like when I'm spending my money, me get my money's worth. Okay, so customer service up, so it's at a central location. The food tastes good, and if you are an American or you are anywhere else in this world, please hot people, please hot men. If you're anywhere else in this world and you don't know what this means when we say the food wicked, the food bad, the food point, it means the food is really great, it's wonderful, it's exceptional, it's out of this world. That's what that means, okay? So the food was a 10. So customer service, 10, 10, 10. Food, 10. Location, 10. Easy to find. Unless you don't know Portmore like myself, as I say, a subnails, I come up to Portmore, I do a business, I come up to Portmore, I'm last, you know. Come up to Portmore, I do my business, I'm last. Now, I have to go back to go find where I go. Because, you know, you have to satisfy the hunger first, right? So if you don't know Portmore like that, as I said, just find Sunshine Plaza where the theater is and come on in. So that's what we did. The price, nowhere else you can go and eat all of that food for just $3,000, right? So that was really good. Price never bad at all. So for Sunshine Plaza and Just Bite, I'm going to say my overall score is a 10. So it's the perfect place to be. As I said, I am taking you on up across Jamaica for all the most wonderful little hidden gems and some more popular places that you can get the best food to eat. So come along with me on this journey. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't leave it to subscribe. Click the like button, subscribe, like, share it to the people them, share it to the friends, share it to the co-workers, and let's get to 5K. Okay, that is it. Until next Sunday, where we are going to eat, me don't know, but just stick and stay with us and let's see where this beautiful journey takes us. Thank you so much. God bless you and have a wonderful day.